This is Joe with US Sander, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change one of these old 2-pole switches to a new single pole switch. Make sure you've disconnected power before you start on this. You need to take the faceplate off to get at this switch. Your old switch will have black wires on one side and the white wires on the other side. Since the old switch is screw terminals and the new one has push connect terminals, we need to cut the ends right off. The white wires we want to just connect together. The switch will come with one of these crimp caps or a wire nut to make that connection. Once you've connected your white wires together, you need to change the ends on these to these push connect ends that come with the switch. With those ends crimped on our black wires, you need to put your switch in position between these two ears. There's an ear below on either side and an ear above it. Make sure that you have the long side on the left here as you stand behind the buffer. That long side needs to be to the left, otherwise the switch levers won't push the button correctly. Connect your black wires on either end of the switch. Now when you reinstall this faceplate, you need to make sure that your switch levers are in the correct places. This one goes on this side, that's where the button is the longest, and the one with the hole goes on this side where the button locks into the hole in the lever. The long screws are used as pivots for these handles. Once you've reattached your faceplate, make sure that this interlock button is working correctly and the switch won't trigger without pulling out the button. And then make sure that when you release the lever, it returns, releasing the switch and re-engaging that interlock.